Gandhi Jayanti, a tribute to Bapu's earth legacy on this Gandhi Jayanti. Let's take a moment to remember not just the father of our nation, but a visionary who taught us how to live in harmony with people, with purpose, and with the planet. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Prachi Jain, and welcome to another thoughtful episode of Eco Tales. Where we explore how everyday choices affect our environment and what we can do better. As we reflect on Bapu's legacy, one of his most powerful thoughts still rings true. The earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. That single line, uttered decades ago, now feels like a prophecy. A cautionary pagalaw, one that speaks directly to our current planetary crisis. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's right here, knocking at our doors. Just this past year, India faced record-breaking floods across its states like Assam, Bihar, and Himachal. Scorching heat waves swept through over 23 districts, and coastal cities are watching sea levels quietly creep higher every year. So, the planet isn't suffering because of scarcity. It's suffering because of our excess. And yet, while we scramble for climate solutions today, Gandhiji quietly practiced them generations ago. He wore hand-spun khadi, ate locally grown food, reused everything he could, and walked instead of riding motor vehicles. Not just out of simplicity, but out of principle. He didn't just talk about sustainability, he lived it. And in doing so, he gave us what we now call the art of sustainable living. His low-impact lifestyle was not a compromise. It was a commitment to a higher purpose. So, what better way to pay tribute to him than by bringing his values into our everyday lives? Let's make a simple, sincere pledge to reduce what we waste, to reuse all that we can, and to respect what Mother Nature provides. Because even the smallest of acts, like switching off a light, calling out unsustainable practices, or stepping outside to educate others, can push the world a step closer to healing. The truest way to honor Bapu is not by just remembering him once a year, but by walking the path he walked, a path of courage, conscious choices, and compassionate sustainability. For the people, for the planet, and for the generations yet to come. Let's be the change. And let's start by changing how we treat our only shared home, Mother Earth. After all, it's all we truly have in common. Until next time, stay humble, stay rooted, stay sustainable. Jai Hind.